What the fuck? Jesus fucking Christ.
Ben, you're not gonna like this.
Where is it taking us?
To here.
Why? Why? GPS, what the fuck are you doing? What the actual fuck? Like, why?
It gets better.
Did we miss a fucking turn?
It's making us go back.
I'm gonna strangle my fucking GPS.
Hey, we'll see the train though as it's crossing.
Yeah, probably.
As I turn left at the stop sign.
Yeah, we're going back over the fucking crossing.
I'm gonna unroll my window in case I hear horn. Let's just hope that was Amtrak.
No, that wasn't Amtrak.
Uh-oh.
That was like standing still.
We've got an issue then. Because that's Pan Am.
Turn right on the Tibbet Street.
Where the fuck is it taking us?
Uh-oh.
Tibbet Street.
God damn it! Why?
Dude, they're moving.
Okay, bye GPS.
Fucking piece of horse shit.
Look at it go.
What is wrong with you?
Looking pretty good though.
This is fine.
What a center comparison.
Wow. There it goes.
Can we catch it?
Nope. At least try and catch AYPO, you know? That's gone. There's no catching it.
That was the main, right?
Ben,
What?
you're gonna hate this, but the light was fantastic at that spot.
No one asked, Colin. No one fucking asked.
I just thought I'd raise the mood a bit.
It didn't!
Bye AYPO!
I can't even fucking see it!
It's already gone.
Wait,
There's a lot of lawn
that was fucking POAY. Wait, no, that was AYPO. God damn it!
We got POAY though.
No, because the fucking bridge is down here. Where are you taking me?
Go to Salmon Falls.
Yeah, that literally just went over the fucking zip. That was AYPO. God damn it! God fucking damn it.
We missed Ben Am.
Thanks a lot, you stupid fucking cunt! God damn it!